dramatic over here.
No, I'm not dramatic. I got bit. Literally got bit. And then I got attacked by 3 of them. Yeah, there were 3 of them who attacked me. And then he just bit me so hard. And I'm like, Ahmed, help me, I'm dying. And he just is recording the whole time. So we just got to Kyoto. We're here now for the second leg of our trip. We left Tokyo and it takes about 2 hours to get to Kyoto, which is the more like zen, lots of temples and gardens place to be. We're staying at, for the first time ever, an Airbnb. So Ahmed was so excited about this because he really wanted to, you know, get to see a traditional Japanese home. And I have to say, it's pretty cool. So one thing you'll notice right away is they all have these gardens. Here's a plum tree. That right there is actually an outdoor bathroom. Guys, in. So of course, no shoes, obviously. Get in some slippers. So this is a traditional Japanese home. This is their living room. And what's amazing is they don't have chairs. They have this little hole underneath so you can put your feet there, and this is where they eat. And a little side lamp, some decor. I can open this up. This is that garden that we just saw. This is her entire kitchen. Like, these are all the spices that she owns. This is all the stuff she needs to cook, just one pot and a couple skillets. Here's her little pantry. I don't think she lives here full time, so that's probably why it's very minimal. This is another little garden. So up here is the bedroom. They have these like low to the floor beds. That looks like an incense burner. Another decor piece, and then these open up. There's the garden again. So what do you think of our Airbnb?
It's pretty sweet. How many times do you get a chance to live like a Japanese person in Kyoto?
It's true. This is how people are so healthy here in Japan. Look at that old man just walking. Yeah, you just walk everywhere. So Ahmed and I are in a grocery store. Morning, y'all. Ahmed's in his jammies over there doing some work. Hello!
Hi!
And I'm in this kitchen trying to get some coffee made. Look how you have to put your feet under here. It's the coolest thing! It is day... I don't even know, day 6 in Japan or something? But it's the first full day in Kyoto, day 2 of Kyoto. Who's counting? These vending machines are literally everywhere, and they're amazing. And here's the best part. The tea, like all these teas in here, like green tea and all sorts of tea, they're not sweetened. Because they're like, you don't need sugar, just drink the damn tea. Wow, look at this.
So we're passing by, Melanie saw this and she lost her mind Crab stick.
I love crab.
She loves her crab. Look at Mooney's face. Look at her face. He's cooking up the crab right now.
Dude.
Everything you hoped and dreamed?
Oh my god.
What sauces did you put on it?
There's salt. And powder.
Oh my god, that looks incredible. Is it good? Nice. Alright, I mean, I have to get a bite of this.
Oh my god, did you see the guy with the dumplings?
No? What about it?
There were these like swirly dumplings.
Uh-huh.
There. Oh no.
Arigato. Your hijab saves us again.
This is Fushimi Inari. This is where there are the thousands of tories. Tories are those
gates.
Those red gates.
Just turn around.
Oh, or that. Those are tories. So each one on the back of them will have
Somebody's name who basically donated to the temple.
right. See from behind, you can see. Those are the names. This is so cool. It goes on forever too. There's thousands of them. I don't even think we made it to the halfway mark. I'm so out of shape. It's all steps. I don't know how Ahmed's not dying.
I'm doing good.
I'm not. I am not. We finally made it to the halfway point. And I officially can't breathe. I got all so out of shape. Alright, this is the view. So this is what you see when you get all the way up here. Well, midway point. Morning, guys.
Morning.
This is our last full day in Japan, in Kyoto. So we're headed to Nara, which is where these deer are, where they'll actually bow to you before you feed them. It's crazy. We saw it on YouTube before this trip, and we were so excited to see these deer.
Welcome to Nara.
Ooh, we're gonna go see those deer.
So here are the deer. Look how freaking cute they are. I think they're trying to see if anybody's got food. Oh, look.
Oh my god. Yeah, that scared me.
Oh, look how cute this deer is. Record this situation.
Look how he looks his mouth.
Yeah. So cute.
Okay.
More than one is coming now.
Oh my god.
He literally was pulling on your thing.
Okay. We're getting real close.
So cute.
Okay. Oh my god, Ahmed, كتير خبط.
Okay, just relax.
Okay, خبط من هذا شوية خبط.
Okay,
Oh my
just.
god, Ahmed, they're biting at me.
They're not. Just okay. He's fine. Just keep feeding him.
Here.
Just relax. Don't show fear.
Relax.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then give the other one.
Okay. Stop. Here. Ahmed, I am at a loss here. Too much. and he's biting me. This one is so aggressive. Oh my god, there's three. Ahmed, you really need to stop. I don't know what to do about this situation. Look, look, look. I'm over that. I'm over that life right there. Not even trying to live that life.
They're so freaking cute. You need to not be so scared of you.
Dude, once you get bit by one, then come back to me and talk.
Well, they bit you and they got aggressive with you because you were acting scared. You didn't have to do that.
Well, because too many were approaching me and they were getting aggressive. Ahmed, they were aggressive. Oh, Ahmed's about to get attacked. You have to make him bow.
Oh, plus.
There's no more?
Yeah. That's it. That's all I have. Sorry. That's all I got. That's it. That's it. Now they're all falling.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. With a quickness. Hada. Look, look, look.
Nope.
Oh! He just bit you. I got it all on camera. He just bit you straight up. Good thing you didn't feel it and it was just your jacket.
Yeah.
They're
Some
everywhere.
Get aggressive.
Yeah, they get aggressive. They get aggressive. So the chefs are hard at work right in front of us. And then they serve us as soon as the courses are done. And we're gonna have 7 courses.
It's a taste journey for your taste buds. it's all your senses are being stimulated right now. Very wonderful. In a very zen-like state.
Give us the full report. Good? Final course. So, was it everything you hoped and dreamed?
I like that each course had like its own kind of flavor profile. It was really nice. And there were some nice surprises in there, so I really enjoyed that. It was good.
We got our shoes ready because we're about to leave. That's so sweet. Because we're leaving today, we're in Kyoto and we're taking the train to Tokyo so we can catch our flight. We may just chill in Tokyo for a little bit, but this is really the end of the trip. It's like from the future.
It's such a beautiful train. Like I wish, like, why doesn't every country have these?
I hope you guys enjoyed this third part, if you made it this far, of our Japan travels. And if we haven't convinced you to come to Japan yet, I don't know what else you need. This is an amazing country. You need to come visit.
And phenomenal people. Something that we can all learn something from.
Yes.
In terms of adab, in terms of, you know, temperament, just lovely, lovely people.
Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed. Take care. Salam!